People switch GLP-1 drugs for three main reasons: side effects, cost, or results. Maybe Ozempic gives you too much nausea. Maybe your insurance covers Mounjaro but not Wegovy. Maybe you hit a plateau and want to try a different mechanism. Switching is common, but it needs to be done carefully. The basic principle is this: do not overlap two GLP-1 drugs at the same time. That increases the risk of severe nausea, vomiting, and pancreatitis. The standard approach is to stop one drug, wait for the washout period, then start the new one at the lowest dose. For semaglutide to tirzepatide, the washout is typically 5 weeks after the last injection, since semaglutide has a half-life of about 7 days. Some clinicians use a direct switch without a full washout, starting tirzepatide at 2.5 mg 1 week after the last semaglutide dose. This is done to limit the gap in appetite control and prevent rebound eating. But it requires close monitoring. What about switching within the same drug class? Going from Ozempic 1 mg to Wegovy 2.4 mg is a dose increase of the same molecule. That is a titration, not a switch. Your clinician may increase the dose gradually. Switching from a GLP-1 only drug to a dual agonist like tirzepatide changes the mechanism. Tirzepatide targets both GLP-1 and GIP receptors. That can mean more appetite suppression and potentially more weight loss. But it can also mean different side effects. Some patients who could not tolerate semaglutide tolerate tirzepatide better. Others find the opposite. The practical advice: do not switch on your own. Work with your clinician. Have a plan for the gap between drugs. Monitor your weight, appetite, and side effects closely during the transition. And do not assume that a new drug will automatically be better. It might just be different. Talk with your clinician before making any medication changes. For plain language GLP-1 updates, visit the GLPSpot.com.